Today we'll start from class 7 R.D. Sharma Mathematics chapter number 3 decimal, in that exercise 3.3. Now question number 1, we had given that divide 142.45 by 10. Let us see. Now first point is that 142.45 by 10. So what we will write first? Let us divide 142.45 by 10. Okay, now here in multiplication we are going right side, place at the right side, right? Now in division we have to go at the left side, this way. Okay, if your point is here, now one place we have to move, so this point comes over here. So what is your answer? Our answer is 14.2445. Okay, see how here 1 4 2, here point is there 4 5, and only one place we have to move because here it is 10. So at the left side we have to move, so we'll keep here point which is 14.245. Now see the second one. .45 by 10. Now again we will write which is 34.3.45 upon 10. Okay, now left side we have to move this place, so what we will get? We have to point over here 3 4 5. So here nothing is there, means 0.345. Let us see the fifth one. What is the question? 0.043 by 10. Now here what we will write? First of all 0.043 upon 10. Okay, now same way here also this point goes over here, only one place we have to move, so 0 point nothing is there, 0 2 0 is there, so 0 0 4 3 is your answer. Understood? Let us see question number 2. Question number 2, we have to divide. Now first question is that 459.5 by 100. So what we will do? 459.5 upon 100. Now here 2 0 is there, so left side we have to move at two places, so here 1 and 2, so point will come over here. Okay, so what is the answer? 4.595 is your answer. Okay, now see the third one. What is the question of third one? 5.8 by 100. So this 5.8 upon 100, so equal to how many places we have to move? Two places. So see here 0 point, here nothing, means we have to put 0 and take a point over here, so 0.058 is the answer. Let us do the fifth one. 0.48 by 100. 0.48 by 100. Same way we will do 0.48 by 100. How many places we have to move? Here two places, so nothing, means 0. Here comes 1. So what is the answer? 0.0048. Now question number 3, that also divide. Let us see the question number 3. first one, what is that? 235.14 by 41 by 100. So what is that? 235.41 upon, not 100, it is 1000 upon 1000. Okay, so what we have to move here 3 places, 30 left side, 3 places. Okay, so here point should be there. So what is the answer? 0.23541. Let us do the third one. Question is 3.8 by 1000. 3.8 by 1000. Now here also what we have to do? Same way we have to move 3 places. Okay, here nothing means 0. Here 1, 2 place and again 0 will put. So 1, 2 and 3 places we have to move. So here comes 0.0038 is the answer. Okay, now let us see the question number 4. Just remember that if you have multiplication into 10, 100 or 1000, you have to move right side, and if you have the division, then you have to move at the left side. Now question number 4, that also divide 4, first one, divide 0.45 by 9. 0.45 by 9. Okay, what we have to do here? Let us write that 0.45 divided by 9. In fraction form we can write like this. Okay, now we have to remove this decimal. So what we can write? 45 upon 1, 2 places are there. So 100 multiplied by 9 as it is. Okay, now we have to cancel it. 9 ones are 9 5s are. So 5 upon 100. So how many places we have to move? 2 at the left side. So 0 will put here and point comes over here. So 0.05 is your answer. Understood? Now we'll do the second one. Third one. That question is 319.2 by 2.28. Okay. Now what we will do here? First of all, we'll write in division. Divided at 2.28 equal to 319 point upon 2.28. Now we have to remove this decimal. So first of all, we'll write 3 upon 9.2. Sorry, not point. We have to remove this point. So 2 upon 1 place is only there. So upon 10 multiplied by 2 to 8. We have to remove this point also. So multiply by 2 to 8 upon, here comes the 100. Now in the denominator is there, that goes in the numerator. Okay, so what we can write here? Equal to 3192 into 100 upon 10 into 2 to 8. Okay, so what we can write? 0 0 cancel. Let us do multiplication. 3192 into 10 is 0 over here, right? Into 10 we have to do So 31920 upon 228. If we can do cancel, 1 za 140 za. If you want to rough work, you can rough work on the right side. So answer is 140. Let us do the question number 4, fifth one. Fifth one question is 0.765 by 0.9. Here also the same way we have to write. First of all, write in division, then in the fraction form 0.9. Now here also we have to remove both of the decimal. So 765 divided by 1, 2, 3 place. So 30 multiply by here 9 upon 1 place is only there. So this 10 goes over upstairs. So in the numerator, so 765 into 10 upon 1000 into 9. Now we can cancel it. 9 ones are 9, 85. Here 0 cancel. So simple. If your denominator is 100, 10 or 1000, it is easy to put in decimal. It's easy to convert in decimal, right? So only 2 places we have to move on left side. So 0.85 is your answer. Now let us do question number 5. Just convert the denominator into 1000 places, 100 places. Just try that. Now question number 5. 16.64 by 20. Same way, first of all write in division, then in fraction. 64 upon 20. Let us remove this. Let's 64 upon 100 into 20. Okay, let us cancel. 2 10s are 2, 8, 3, 2s are. Okay, now this one we can simply put 0. 10 into 100 is 1000. 3 places we have to move. So 0.832 is your answer. Now question number 5, third one. Same way we are doing. Writing in fraction form upon 24. This decimal we have to remove. So 6344 upon how many 0? 2. That is 100 into 24. Now we can do cancellation. So 24 ones are and 24 6 8 ones are. So equal to 681 upon 100. So where the point come? Here. So 6.81 is the answer. Fifth one. 16.344 divided by 12. Remove the decimal. So 6344 upon 1000 into 12. Now do the cancellation. 12 ones are 12, 1362 are. So 1362 upon 1000. So equal to answer is 1.362. Now we'll see question number 6. Divide. First one question is 15.68 by 20. Question number 6. First one 15.68 by 20. So write in fraction form 15.68 divided by 20. Remove the decimal. 568 upon 100 into 20. So what we will do? 22 tens are and 2 7 4s, so equal to 784 upon 1000, because 100 into 10 is 1000, so answer is 0.784. Third one, 403.80 by 30. So 403.80 divided by 30. So 403.80, 100 into 30. Now we'll do calculation. Okay, 0 cancel, 3 ones are, and 3 1 3 4 6 are. Okay, equal to 1346 upon 100. So answer is 113.46. Question number 7, first one, 76 by 0.091. So write in decimal 0.091. Here changes are, here point is in denominator. Then also we have to remove this. So 76 upon 19 upon 123,000. Okay, if your denominator has a denominator, it will goes in numerator. Equal to 76 into 1000 upon 19. Now do the cancellation. 19 ones are and 19 fours are. So equal to 4 into 1000 is 4000 is your answer. Let us do the second one, which is, question is 148 by 0.074. Same way, 148 divided by 0.074. 148 upon 74. This decimal if you have to remove, here upon 1000 will come. So I am writing directly here 1000. Okay. Then do the calculation. So 74 ones are and 74 twos are. So equal to 2 into 1000 is 2000 is your answer. Now question number 8, first one. Question is 20 divided by 50. Now this one we have to write 20 upon 50. Okay, now this way we have to do this denominator into 10, 100 or 1000. So if we multiply into 2, so 50 into 2 is 50 into 2. So 20 into 2 also we have to do. Both the numerator and denominator we have to multiply. Then it came 40 upon 50 is 100. 0 0 cancel. Okay, so what is your answer? 0.4. Or you can write 20 upon 50. 0 0 cancel, equal to 2 upon 5. So 5 into 2 is 10 and into 2. This is also right. 4 upon 10 directly you get. So 0.4 is the answer. Both the way is right. Now which one? Third one is 72 by 576. First of all we will write in division. So equal to 72 upon 576. Here we can cancel it in simplest form first. So 1s are and 72 8s are. So equal to 1 upon 8. Now this denominator we have to convert into 100,000 or a 10. So if we multiply 125, 8 125 is 1000. Here also we have to multiply 125. So equal to 125 divided by 1000. So answer is 0.125 is the answer. Thank you for watching this video.